In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp chat to your Shopify store, an essential feature for enhancing customer service and communication directly on your e-commerce platform. Let's dive into the process, ensuring you can seamlessly incorporate WhatsApp on your Shopify store, improving your customer engagement and support. First, you need to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Start by logging into your Shopify account and heading over to the home page of your online store. This is your control hub where you'll be managing all the aspects of your store from settings to product listings. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the lower left corner and click on Settings. In your Settings menu, you'll find a wide array of customization options for your store. But for today's task, we will be focusing on integrating an app that connects your store to WhatsApp. After selecting Settings, the next step is to click on Apps and Sales Channels. In this section, you can manage the applications that integrate with your store, vital for boosting its functionality and the shopping experience for your customers. Now, within Apps and Sales Channels, you'll see an option that takes you to the Shopify App Store. Click on this option to be redirected to the comprehensive library of apps. The Shopify App Store is where you can find various third-party applications to enhance the functionality of your store. Once in the Shopify App Store, you will need to search for WhatsApp Chat. In the search bar provided at the top, go ahead and type in WhatsApp Chat and press Enter. This will give you a list of all available applications related to WhatsApp communication for your store. Now that you see the search results, click on one of the WhatsApp chat apps that suits your needs. Be sure to read through the description and user reviews to ensure it aligns with your store's requirements and your business objectives. After selecting the app, you'll be able to look at additional screenshots and perhaps a preview of how the integration will appear on your storefront. Once you've reviewed the options and selected the best fit, click on Install. The installation process may require a few permissions. These allow the app to integrate seamlessly into your store's framework. Make sure to grant these permissions to proceed with the installation. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully added WhatsApp chat to your Shopify store, allowing for effortless customer communication and support right at their fingertips. Just think about the convenience this tool offers your customers. They can now reach out with questions, comments, or feedback directly through WhatsApp, a platform most are already familiar with. This not only enhances their shopping experience, but also helps to build trust and improve service efficiency. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!